So here I'm going to show you how you can use Google Sheets if you don't have a graphing calculator to do a regression. So go into Google Sheets and type in your ordered pairs in XY order so we see the ordered pairs. You're going to highlight the data and then you're going to go to Insert Chart. It's going to choose the chart it thinks it is, but we want to actually change it to an actual scatter plot. So go over here to Chart Type under Setup, scroll down to the scatter plot, which is right here, and we have the scatter plot line. Now click over to Customize, and we're going to look for the word Series. In this series, open that up, scroll down to the word Trend Line, and click that box. Now, the type we're going to have for polynomial, it's either going to be linear, quadratic, cubic, or quartic. So linear is right here. If we want to actually see the linear equation, because that's the one we chose, so let me hit Trend Line again. Go down here under Label and click Use the Equation. The equation is going to be right here. Make sure you put it in standard format, so it'd be y equals 5.46x minus 5.6. Now, if you wanted quadratic, choose polynomial, and that would be second degree. If you want cubic, that's our third degree, and quartic would be the fourth degree. Now, do be careful if we chose quartic. Again, we have use the equation. Make sure you write it in standard format. That'd be the y equals negative 0.167x to the fourth, plus 2.11x cubed minus 8.25x squared plus 15.3x minus 7. And that's how you can go about doing your various regressions using Google Sheets.